woman trapped in a little girl's body.
We can't have children at the bar.
I want to be true. So, you get married.
So which one of us is going to be your bridesmaid?
I am 24 years old, and I'm engaged, and Shauna's 22, so I'm only 2 years older than her. It seems like we have a greater age difference than the 2 years. Mentally, physically, emotionally, all the things.
He looks like a boy.
He's looking for a relationship. That's
He
a
has
good
dogs.
guy. And
He
wants
can't spell
babies.
Connecticut.
He did put a Q in Connecticut T. That's a little rough.
Maybe
No, there's no explaining that. That's bad.
Pass.
Ooh, Greg.
Kind of a nerd. This is perfect.
I have a
He has
dog.
Bunch of musical instruments. Cancer survivor. Yes.
Hey, yes.
We're playing.
Yes, he's a cancer survivor, Shauna.